Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do an unboxing, look at the features, and a review of the EKSA AI-powered wireless headset. And so we're just going to do the unboxing first, and then we'll look at some of the features and then the review. Okay, so here's the box. Now, I already unboxed it previously to make sure all the components were in there and everything was working. So what you get in the box is, now this is organized like this. I think this actually went in between those, but you get an extra thing here. You get a little pouch, really soft, extremely, you can see it's quite big, so it should fit the whole headset. This is the headset. There's how you move it. There's the inside. There's the adjustment. And of course, this is the padding. And so you have your mute. You have your power on, of course, speaker. Your plus minus. Plus will always be, skip or volume up, minus previous volume down. You have quite a big, thick book. Then you also have this right here. And in the center, you have a charging cable, and you have the adapter. Okay, so then we're going to look at the features, and then we'll do a review. Okay, so the headset has Bluetooth 5.0 with 30 meters indoors and 50 meters outdoor, of course, because of open spaces. It does have slight distortion if you talk too loud. Very low to no lag, so it takes approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes to charge. And so we're just going to cover also the functionality of the headset. Okay, so you have a mute button located at the bottom of the speaker. You also have a plus and minus little buttons, icons. The plus will also do the volume up. It also does a skip, while the volume down, of course, is the minus, and then it also does previous. At the center, you have the power on and voice assistant button. Now, I really did like the headset, so we'll just go to the review. All right, so one thing I really liked about the headset, it's very comfortable, easy to, you hardly ever feel it once you've wore it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can't even feel it. It's extremely lightweight. The mute button is easy to locate because you're able to press right there. Also, the speaker, you can move this whatever angle you want. It's a bendable speaker, the end of it. There's also easy to maneuver left and right, as you can tell, and then inside and out. The volume up and down is easy to locate by touching it. Also the center for power on and also voice assistance. So really good and functional headset. I do say that the only downside is when you talk loud, it does distort. But as far as distance, volume, like if you can hear it very easily, you can also turn it up. But also it's very clear, except at the high range if you're screaming for the most part, or you're talking extremely loud. But overall, I would get this like an 8 out of 10. I do think that if the distortion at high volumes was a little better, I would rate this a 10 out of 10. But for now, it's 8 out of 10. Hopefully it lasts a long time. This company does seem to be proficient in headsets and keyboards, anything in the PC desktop accessory line. So highly recommend. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description. I will have a link to the headset, and we'll see you in the next video.